Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ngozi. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you a home remedy on how to get a succulent lips. This lip scrub will help you to get rid of dead skin cells on your lips and make it to have a very good attractive lips. Yes guys, so the first thing I'm going to be needing here will be a beetroot, and I'm going to remove the skin of my beetroot first. Yeah, I need this big beetroot because I'm just going to get many of it and keep it and taking it little by little each time I want to do this. So now I'm done taking out the skin part of it. I'm going to grate the rest. You can actually, if you don't want to grate your own, you can use your knife to cut it little by little. Just cut it very tiny because you need to dry this. You cut it very tiny so it can easily can get dried quickly. So I'm just grating mine, and after grating this, I'm going to sun dry it. Yeah, and you need to sun dry it. You must sun dry it completely. And if you don't want to use a dried one, you can actually use a fresh one instead of the dried one. So just transfer it to a bigger tray and sun dry. And here is the dried one. Yeah, let's get started guys. So I have dried it up, and I'm going to need 1 teaspoon of dried one, only 1 teaspoon, and I'll keep the rest for myself. You can just keep it, put it in a jar, put it anywhere of your choice. And I'm going to put it, blend it into powder. And I'm going to put half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Yeah, you're gonna need brown sugar in this. And the next thing I'm going to be needing is going to be 1 over 8 of oil. The oil I use here is almond oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil at your reach. And here I'm going to need 1/2 teaspoon of lime juice. I actually use lime mostly on my skincare stuff because it works very well with my skin. So I love using lime. So now that I'm done putting all these things together, I am just going to properly mix it. Yeah, you try as much as possible to make sure everything is completely mixed before you apply it, before you start scrubbing your lips with it. So now it is completely mixed. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to apply it on my lips. Yeah, you see my lips, I've been using it guys for a very long time. You can, after using this, you can even go anywhere you want to go without applying lips gloss or any lipstick. If you don't just want to apply those things, you can just go anywhere you want to go. Okay, this is very good. It will make you to have very attractive lips that even your enemy will want to kiss it. All right guys, so you're going to scrub your mouth or your lips for at least 5 minutes. You're going to continue to scrub at least 5 minutes so it will go in right there and to sink in and remove those dead cells. So here I am done scrubbing my lips, and I'm just going to let it sit on my lips for at least 20 minutes. Thereafter I'll wash it and I'll rub with shea butter. Thank you guys, see you.